Welcome to Aya, and welcome to Aya Golden Energy Healing. So far you've learnt about what golden energy is, how to make healing energy out of it, how to activate energy flow around the body and move it around using the breath, and lots of other stuff. But now we're going to put it together into a golden energy self-healing exercise. So clearly this video assumes that you've watched all the videos so far and you've been practicing all the exercises that we've been giving you so far. So there are 5 steps to this exercise. Number 1, 5 minutes of golden energy yogic breathing. Number 2, gather energy on the in-breath. Number 3, move energy on the out-breath. Number 4, give the energy instructions when it gets there. Number 5, repeat, repeat, repeat. So first of all, let's make up an example. Let's pretend that we're healing a sprained ankle. So remember what we said in a previous lesson about programming. You have to prepare the healing sessions that you're going to apply to yourself. So you prepare the visualization or the mantra that you're going to use. Have a look online to see what the different parts of the ankle look like and whether you might have muscle tissue damage, tendon damage, ligaments, connective tissue damage. See what the internet says about how these processes actually heal in the body. And then practice your visualization before you do the exercise. And if it's a mantra you're using, write it down or memorize it. So now we're ready to start the exercise. So step 1, golden energy yogic breathing. Now always do this before any healing session. It charges you right up with golden energy and it creates flow in the energy body. Do it for about 3 to 5 minutes or so and then you're ready to start. So step 2, gather the energy. So here we're going to use a technique you learned earlier. You're going to keep using the same breathing cycle, but you're going to change the visualization. So on the in-breath, you want to visualize that golden energy gathering at the solar plexus storage. See it as a huge ball of shining golden energy right there. Next is step 3, move the energy. So on the out-breath, in the visualization, move that energy that you've gathered down to your ankle. See it flowing down there, but also feel it moving in the body, just like we showed you in the energy work exercises. Now for step 4, give it instructions. This is when you actually visualize the energy doing its job in your ankle, healing your ankle, making the healing going quicker. Now this has got to be done quite rapidly because you need to do it at the bottom of the breath while you're pausing the breath. You can't stop long because you need to breathe again, of course, and start the next breathing cycle. So if it's a really complex visualization, just split it up and carry it on the next breath. Because the next step is step 5. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So you have to do this over and over. Each breathing cycle of in and out is only seconds long. You know, a healing session can last as long as you want it to, but it's got to be repeated on every breath. So you might even want to split up your visualization or mantra over 4 or 5 breaths, applying a different part on each breath. Or perhaps your visualization might be simple and you can just do it on every breath. Either way, it's the repetition that makes this work. It won't do anything if you just do it for a few breaths. You need to do it for a while. Now, the only thing is that if you want to do it for some time, like 20 minutes or so, then you'll need to give yourself breaks because it's not good to do breath work for that long. You need to do them in chunks of sort of no more of 5 to 10 minutes or so, and then have a break and then go again. Even a healing session of about 10 to 15 minutes will still be very beneficial. But you need to repeat that as often as you can. So try and do it, say 3 times a day. But the more you do it, the more effect it has. Now, lastly, I just want to remind you that the benefit from this exercise not only includes the healing effect that you're trying to encourage, but also the benefit of regular breath work and meditation. All of these techniques have so many other beneficial side effects as well, in a self-healing way. To learn more about that, you should check out our free course of self-healing, the Aya Healing Pyramid. Okay, so give that a go. Try it out on any ailment that you might have. Most people have got something going on. But if you haven't, perhaps try it out next time you've got a headache or something. It works for pain as well. Okay, don't forget to follow or subscribe for the rest of the videos. See you soon.